and welcome to another session from the Estonian Digital Pavilion at the Hannover Messe 2021. My name is Florian Marcus. I'm a digital transformation advisor here at E-Estonia, and I'll be your moderator for today's session. So we will talk about how to future-proof supply chains with SmartEST Digitalisation. First of all, we will hear a small word of introduction from the Estonian Minister of Entrepreneurship and Information Technology, Mr. Andres Sutt, and then afterwards we will see several interesting and exciting presentations from Estonian companies in this sector. I wish you a lot of fun, so let's take a look.
Tere! Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to join the virtual Hannover Messe from Estonia, and I want to congratulate you all for making it happen digitally. It is in times like this where we are forced to adapt, innovate, and take bold steps forward to survive and to thrive. In just one single year, we have taken a giant leap forward in the digitalization of business operations. COVID has pushed us into a new era, a more digital one. Whilst the old and trusted ways of doing business will return in some shape or form, it is also clear that digitalization has come here to stay and to grow. In order to remain competitive in this challenging period, it is crucial to integrate new concepts and smart solutions in our business models and manufacturing processes. It is precisely in this area where Estonia and our companies stand out as reliable and trustworthy partners. Our 25 years of experience in building a digital country and solving problems through smart solutions has made Estonia a leading digital nation in the world. You could even say that doing things digitally has become our DNA in Estonia, both in the public and private sectors. And we are more than excited to offer our expertise and knowledge to new partners. The new industrial revolution has already started. I am confident that you will find Estonian companies will be your trusted partners in this journey ahead. Let's do business together, and thank you very much.
Remote work from home office, complicated and expensive access to maintain heavy equipment, monitoring remote assets. It all drives the need for digitalized and connected products. For the industrial manufacturing and maintenance market, we have a joint business offer from two companies. Proekspert from Estonia, together with our joint venture from Bremen, then a company called Sensorize. Two companies combined, we offer and apply German knowledge of hardware development, sensor technology, with Estonian experience of building software-based digital tools. And we add to that the data analysis using data science and machine learning. More specifically, what is Proekspert? 27 years of mission-critical software to global companies, 200 plus engineers with experience and expertise, particular capability to work with global companies. Important note is that in Proekspert, we always work with customers hand in hand, starting by defining which is the problem our software solution should solve. Based on that, we build a prototype and validate it with the customers. Again, based on that, on the feedback loop, we do a new prototyping and solution fine-tuning. This approach saves time and money to the customer, gives better satisfaction of completion to our own engineers. So it's a win-win. We serve global companies, and most of our customers, most of our revenues coming from export markets. Danfoss from Denmark, producing engines and automation equipment. Enix from Switzerland, producing electronics. Ericsson from Sweden, producing telecom equipment. Just few examples of our international customers. In Proekspert, we develop software. However, for a full machine-to-machine solution, or for example, a software and data analysis for production optimization, a digitalized hardware is part of the solution. And that is how Sensorize, with its unique technology, a sensor that is a hardware. enables raw data acquisition, which then will be transferred to the data center for further data analysis. Results will be presented on some kind of a user interface, a display, for example, and the customer will have also access to the equipment. Sensorize. In Sensorize, we build digital machine components. That is, we are transforming a standard machine component into a connected and digitalized data source. How we do it? Let me explain it based on a screw. Here, we make use of the existing hardware tolerances and integrate a very thin measuring wire into the thread base of a screw. This way, the pretension of the screw can be continuously measured and transmitted to a data center. The technology is extremely sensitive, so we can evaluate even the finest dynamic signal changes. For example, offshore wind turbines. The wind turbine blades are attached to the hub by means of about 70 large screws per blade. Due to the size of the blades, the load on the blades and thus on the screws that hold them in place is very high. Sometimes they loosen up and break down, causing either loss of energy production or even large repair costs. This can be avoided with early warning system when transforming a standard screw into a sensorized sensor. Even in maintenance work, a substantial saving can be made as regular but reduced physical inspection can be combined with online information from sensorized screws. To visualize this example, we have developed a demo solution which is accessible and for trying out on the Sensory website. Screws for wind turbines is just one example of using sensorized unique technology. Generally speaking, this technology enables the measurement of static and semi-static loads in machine components, where vibration measurement is not possible due to low frequencies. And the only visual inspection is a time-consuming and error-prone option. In this example here, the wear and tear of a slowly moving conveyor system can be predicted and unplanned belt standstill can be avoided. Data science. With data science, we take a step further. We build patterns of operational parameters to optimize production or detect anomalies. Also, product development can be enhanced. To achieve this, we use our analysis methodology and apply findings at earliest to make a discovery. For example, analyzing satellite reaction with bearing behavior to detect the causes of small anomalies, the reason of which have not been explained before using traditional analytical methods, or analyzing behavior and time series data of industrial washing machine. In this use case, the data science team built an algorithm to have an early warning of a potential breakdown of a mechanical part, and this way enables the part to last longer. Or building a predictive model to detect the root cause of yeast production quality degradation and alert about it with high accuracy. To sum up, the joint offer of two companies. We take a standard machine component, we add to it electronics and sensoric, we connect it to a data center, we run analysis, and as a result, build new knowledge about the traditional manufacturing machines. We make traditional manufacturing into a digitalized, connected, smart production. Thank you for listening, and you're most welcome to contact me or Cord Winkelmann for your new challenges.
Hello, my name is Liisa, and I'm the Innovation Manager at Eliko Technologies. Industry 4.0 promises to increase productivity by a staggering 50%. How can this be achieved? The answer lies in real-time location tracking. In factories and manufacturing sites with hundreds of moving objects, location data gives a real-time overview of your operations. And then it becomes much simpler to understand where to save time and where to invest more time. Here are 3 examples how real-time tracking can benefit your business. First, you can track how materials move through production and eliminate all bottlenecks. Second, you can generate safe zones around dangerous equipment and improve the safety of your employees. And third, you can eliminate wasteful activities such as searching for the right tool or the right material. And you can get all of these applications in one single location tracking network. We work with manufacturing through local integrators and industrial software companies. Together, we help manufacturing understand and improve their operations. Let me tell you about one of our customers, Bosch Thermotechnology, and how we help to improve their operations. The production manager at Bosch was struggling to understand why their forklift operators took a different amount of time to complete the same task. Because their plant has so many different products and materials, tracking forklifts was a manual, inaccurate, and time-consuming process. Our sales system helped improve Bosch operations in 3 key ways. First, Bosch was able to automate manual forklift tracking. Second, they were able to significantly accelerate the planning of new forklift routes. And third, as a result, their forklifts now completed tasks faster. This all translated to their bottom line, with shorter cycle times and more optimized fleet size. An added benefit of location data is that it creates an automatic audit trail, so that being compliant becomes much easier. If you are looking to use positioning and real-time location tracking in your business, and you're looking for a reliable long-term partner, please contact me or visit our website. We will be your location tracking partner through your digital journey.
Hi, my name is Andres, and I'm the CEO and partner of Flowit, a software company. But today I'm here to talk about Sales Order, our solution for manufacturing companies. It's a self-service solution as a service. We've been working with manufacturing companies for a very long time. We've been digitalizing their processes, we've been raising efficiency, doing automation of processes, gathering data. We've helped over 200 companies, and that includes some of the biggest companies in the Nordic region, both telecom and finance. Now, why did a software company decide to go into self-service portals? Well, we did a lot of work with manufacturing companies, and we realized that there are no existing solutions, and the tailor-made solutions cost a pretty hefty penny, from 100 to 400,000 euros. And it's actually a requirement for the enablement of AI. You need to gather and structure your data in a proper way. Also, the self-service business is not going away. It's no longer a choice. Your customers expect it, COVID accepts it, and most of your customers will never go back to giving you a call or dropping you an email after your self-service solution has been already used. There's also the small fact of the cost. It will cost you around 50% less to operate digitally from anywhere in the world. And of course, you can sell 24/7. It will enable your growth. It will enable automation of processes. And it will enable AI, which is obviously the future of sales. Both McKinsey and Forrester agree. It will reduce your costs, and if you're not currently doing it, you should. But of course, if you're not buying it as a service, then it will also be quite expensive. Your customers will be quite happy, since it's quite easy to order, easy to reorder, get your order status, get your invoices, everything in the same place. Everything you come to expect from big banks, telecoms, energy companies, whatnot. So you get it all. But your benefit list is slightly longer. You can slash your order processing times. by at least 50%. You don't have to spend a minute on product information sharing. You can do campaigns, discounts, VIP programs, anything you want, based on either product or customer or segment. You'll have complete transparency over your sales organization. You will know who handles what customer, what are in the orders, how large they are, and of course it can be done from anywhere. You don't have to have a local sales team. The benefit of analytics, KPI, churn management should be quite obvious to anybody working with sales. But as a small bonus, we also have a module for tender management, so you could make your purchasing decisions in a better, more efficient way. And it will not cost you much. Software as a service, 300 euros per month. So please do get in touch. Check out our website, salesorder.eu, flowit.ee. Let's talk. Thank you.